Hello everybody and welcome to math. Today we are going to be working on lesson 1.10 and this is skip counting by hundreds. Alright, so let's look at our I can statement. Okay, it says I can skip count by 100s starting at a number that doesn't end with 0, 0. So we have skip counted by hundreds before, but it's been the easy kind. That was like 100, 200, 300, 400. So that's pretty easy. Today we're going to take it up a notch and we're going to make it a little bit more challenging. Okay? Not too hard though. I've seen you guys work. I know y'all can do this, but it is going to be a little more challenging. All right? So take a look at these numbers on my board. What do you notice about these numbers? Let's think about that. What do we notice about these numbers? I want you to tell your adult or somebody sitting beside you, what do you notice about these numbers? I think that I heard somebody say, I heard it. They said, Miss Gates, they all end in the number 47. Did I hear somebody say that? Was it you? I think it was. All right, now, I also notice that these numbers are going up by 1 each time, right? So the numbers in the tens and ones stay the same each time, and the number in the hundreds place goes up by 1 every time. Man, you guys are so smart. All right, now, when we skip count by 100s, the number in the hundreds place is the only one that changes, and it changes by going up 1, all right? So let's try some. If you have your whiteboard, you can do this with me. If not, you can just watch my board and do it. Either way it goes, it'll be fun. All right, so the first one we're gonna try is, we have 415, 515, 615. Let's think about what number is going to come next. Now, we saw in our example earlier, these two numbers stay the same, right? And this number, 4, 5, 6, will you go shut that door, please? All right, so we have 4, 5, 600. What number do we think is going to come next? Well, we know that this number in the hundreds place goes up by 1 each time. So 4, 5, 6. There should be a 7 in the hundreds place. And then we know that the number in the tens and ones are going to stay the same. So our number should be 715. Is that what you got? I knew it. Y'all are so smart. All right, let's try another one. All right, here we go. We have 101, 201, 301. What is going to come next? All right. Remember, these numbers in the tens and ones are going to stay the same, and the number in my hundreds place goes up by 1. So 1, 2, 3, 400, and then these numbers stay the same. So it should be 401. Oh man, y'all are so smart. I'm going to give you one, and I want you to do this one all by yourself. Here we go. 278, 378, 478. Can you fill in 3 more? I know you can. Here we go. Let's see. All right, here we go. We have 278, 378, 478. All right, let's see which which one is gonna come next? What comes after 400? 578. Did you get that one? All right, let's see what's next. 278, 378, 478, 578, 678, and our last one should be 778. Very good, guys. Now, remember, the biggest thing you want to remember when we're counting by 100s is that the number in my hundreds place is the only one that changes. All the other digits stay the same. All right? Now, today, you're going to use the back side. So yesterday you used 1.9. Today you're going to use 1.10, and instead of rolling the dice 2 times, you're going to roll it 3 times. So you're going to roll it 3 times. If it lands on a 2, it's 264, 264. And then you're going to skip count by hundreds each time. So 264, 364, 464, 564. And then you can do it again as many times as you want. Okay, once you are finished with your game, you're going to complete page 1.10 in your workbook. Just like we did yesterday, there's going to have some that are going to start exactly how they're supposed to. But then when we get down here to these, that's where it's going to be that tricky thing that we worked on yesterday in small group, where you might have to count backwards by 100s to see if you can figure out what comes before it. All right? And then down at the bottom, we see a sad puppy named Brisket, and he has lost his bone. All right? And it says, help Brisket find his bone. Color all of the boxes that show skip counting by hundreds from 144 to 944. So you're going to color in your boxes to make a pattern that will get Brisket to his bone. All right? I cannot wait to see all of your fabulous work on your seesaw activity, and I will see you guys in small group math.